Jibi the giant spirit birds are known to travel in pairs, soaring through the night summer skies, searching and listening for the sound of movements on the ground below, and for the little people, Olga Jaru Maraja. Many families sleep outside to feel the coolness of the night air, trying to rest their weary bodies from the heat of the day.
Mangala wangaw.
The children love to play under the light of the full moon. Mangala season has started to warm up, and children must try and rest with their parents.
Gawad nga ni, gawad.
Jibi, the giant spirit birds, come every night searching for young children, wanting to take them far away from their families and bring them back to their nest. Elders throughout the night remain awake, watching closely as the children lay on their beds.
Yo, Jibi imbulan.
Parents and other family members walk around each child,
Wangali nambaron.
turning them over onto their stomachs, always keeping a watchful eye for Jibi.
Yo, Jibi imbulan.
Every child must lay on their stomach when Jibi, the giant spirit birds, are flying over. If a child is lying on their back when a Jibi is flying over, he will take the child and its spirit away. Mothers, watch over your children. Fathers, know the signs of the one who comes to take the spirit of your child.
Yo, Jibi imbulan. Warangari walama baba.
Milia wada nga ni.
Yangi nguran.
Children, listen and respect your elders, for the Jibi, the giant spirit birds, come like a thief in the night to take what is not theirs. They will take a little child to a faraway place where only the Jibi, the giant spirit birds, live. Mangala is the hot season time, when the great storms are building in the northern skies. Evening comes and night falls. Coolness of the breeze enters the camp. The Jibi wait for the moon to rise in the east. In front of the bright moonlight, a Jibi, a giant spirit bird, flies across the northern sky. As he moves closer to the camp, people can feel his presence getting closer. Its giant wings spread wide, creating a gentle wind, hoping that the children turn over onto their back, so he may take them away. Mangala nights are strong with its travelling spirits. Take heed, listen carefully, and respect the words of the elders.